Welcome everyone to HFN. Today is July the 7th, 2020. Going to give you all this very quick video for Bitcoin paired against the dollar. If this is your first time watching our video, you guys appreciate the content, the simplicity in our language and our jargon, and how simple it is to see our price chart without being confused. You definitely need to continue to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also share it to anyone else that you think will value our information that we are delivering to this particular platform. So make sure you all go ahead and do that before we get started. So now we're going to talk about Bitcoin, and you guys can tell in our last video in Bitcoin, which was on July the 4th, we kept our forecast the same in Bitcoin with the expectation of this market moving to the downside in price, and it did that on July the 5th, but the market really wasn't that weak. You guys can tell that it still wanted to hold support at $9,000. That's what the trap wanted, and he maintained the price in Bitcoin to successfully close above $9,000, which translated over into the type of move we received yesterday, to where we got a widespread close higher on the 6th, which literally came and tagged on our descending line. So decision needs to be made relatively soon on an hourly basis as to whether or not Bitcoin is going to continue to follow this trend line down, or are we going to break out of it, whether it's horizontally or higher. So let's take a look at Bitcoin right now on the 4-hour chart to see if we get some indications that weakness is being maintained or is being present on our descending line. And generally you can tell that yes, weakness is here into the market for Bitcoin. We need to gauge where the market trapper cannot break below in order for us to see a continuation of strength moving higher outside of this descending line. And you can see a little bit better on the 3-hour chart that $9,200 is where the market in Bitcoin cannot break below in order for us to continue to move higher in price. Okay. So generally, I'm going to continue to go on with our forecast in the market in Bitcoin. I'm not seeing any strength around this descending line right now in Bitcoin. So we might come all the way back down towards $9,200, which is about $48.10 away from where we are at right now as of this recording. So we're just going to continue to watch the market in Bitcoin. As I stated numerous times in our forecast for Bitcoin, we're not going to alter or change our forecast until we see Bitcoin break outside of this ascending line to the upside. And even if we do that, you know what? I'm not really expecting a bullish move though. I'm just literally expecting the market in Bitcoin to just maintain what it's been doing in the market since the beginning of May. Just consolidate. Okay. So I'm still going to continue to anticipate some weakness into the market in Bitcoin. I'm not going to alter the forecast just yet, but we're going to continue to push and validate and see what the trap is going to do alongside this descending line. So you guys got questions or comments, as always, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability and join us.